Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be bringing you a short video walk round of this Honda Civic 1 litre petrol manual turbo sport line. It comes in that brilliant sporty blue colour and sits on top of those 17-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We've got your gloss black wing mirrors there with the incorporated indicators, and we will show you each alloy as we get to them. Second one there for you. Heading around the rear of the car, you'll see we've got your parking sensors at the back, and we also have a rear parking camera there. Got your body coloured spoilers and your incorporated brake light there as well. Opening the boot up, we'll find those 60/40 folding seats with your retractable screen there. We've got your anchor points down the back of the seats as well. Rear LED lights, and onto the third alloy. Heading into the back, guys, bit of a special one this one. We've got your full black leather interior with that red stitching and your Isofix anchor points. As you look around, you'll also notice we have full electric windows in the rear. Jumping into the front of the car now. Again, we've got that black leather with the red stitching throughout. Got your electric windows and your electric door mirrors. Got your parking sensors, forward collision warning, traction control and lane assist there. Jumping in. Turn the climate off. We are sitting now on 24,058 miles. Got your auto lights, auto wipers, your cruise control settings, and we also have all your onboard computer settings here with your volume controls and your voice activation. Popping across onto the screen here, we press the home button. We'll come to the main menu where you'll be able to find the navigation, full color navigation there for you, and then onto your DAB, FM, AM radio with your iPod and smartphone connectivity. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox with your stop start feature, ECON Mode, electronic brake hold, and of course the electronic brake. Jumping out the car, guys, we'll show you that fourth and final alloy. Have another look at that sporty blue colour. There's the fourth alloy for you, and those front parking sensors you'll be able to see as we walk around the front as well. If you'd like a more in-depth tour of this car, please do give our dealership a call. One of our salesmen will be more than happy to assist you in the video. Thanks for your time today, guys.